Welcome back to Real Estate Genius. We're standing again this month as we look back at May 2026 in the central Indiana real estate housing market.
Before we get to that, brother, here's a question I have for you, and it's about family dinner.
Okay.
We are in the summer, kids are out of school, but both of us have like teenage-ish age kids.
Yes.
And there's no such thing as family dinner, it seems like, this summer, because every day the kids are busy. Like when it's school, it's like, okay, they have practice or whatever, you can plan all that. But this is like every day is on the fly, and who knows who's gonna be at home. It could be no one,
Right.
and it could be like 10 kids.
It could.
And so my question is, how in the world are you figuring out how to have dinner every night and not just go to McDonald's 20 times in a row?
I should sub out and let Sarah answer that question because I have no idea how she plans.
Is she, like, are you guys like still cooking dinner every night and sitting down and like whoever's there is there, or what do you do?
I think she'll pivot if everybody's gone and makes plans and they're like, okay, we're not doing what we're gonna do tonight.
Yes.
She and I will either go out if we want to, or we may just
Do your own things.
Yeah.
That's
What about you?
well, it's chaos. I don't know, brother. It's because it is what I said. It's like either it's just Amy and me, and that's fine,
Yes.
or it's like one other kid, or it's like 9 kids.
Everyone has a friend over or two.
So
Yep.
I just don't have the solution. We can't order pizza every night all summer long, right? So I'm gonna need your help. You would help my brother, who are figuring this out. I am struggling to know how in the world we're gonna get it done this summer.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna see in 3 real estate geniuses, Terry has put on 25 pounds because we eat 8 out.
10 every night.
We're planning for 10, or we 8 out every night. I don't know.
Right.
Brother, let's get to the stats.
Let's get there.
We have more answers maybe on the real estate side than we do the family dinner
Yeah,
side.
let's hope we do. So we're looking back at the month of May in Indianapolis, comparing either to the previous month in April or to a year ago. First stat, home sales are up 6%. That is over May of 2025. So a better spring, that's what that tells me.
Yes.
Versus last year, which wasn't bad at all.
Right.
Just with sales being up, more buyers are in the marketplace right now and buying
It's picking
homes.
up. Things
Yes.
are picking up. That's
They are.
right. Median sale price also picking up. It's $320,000. That's 1.7% higher than it was a year ago. We kind of anticipated the 2 to 3% price jumps or home value increases in 2026, and that is tracking so far. $320,000 at the median sale price.
Love to see it. Inventory is up 10.5% over a year ago. More home options out there for buyers. If you're in the marketplace right now, that's good news for you.
That's right. And the interesting stat to me, average days on market holding steady at 13.
Okay.
We've been seeing it drop month to month by 30 or 40% every month for the last 4 or 5 months. Now it's the exact same numbers it was last month, which I think, I don't know what you think, but I think it's probably going to be this way now through the summer at least.
Should
That
be.
13-ish days on market.
I wondered if it would go down again, but with it like leveling off for, I think 3 months, right? Was it 14, 13, 13?
Yes, I think it was. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's where we're going to be probably through the summer.
There you are. That's where you're going to be. But
Yes, you are.
good news though, because inventory is up. Days on market, you've got some time
Yep.
to get in and see homes.
Yes.
That stuff's still selling quickly, and for sellers, prices are still strong.
It is. That's the one I always look at every month is average sale price. What's it? How are we doing?
Yes.
How are we doing? So
Yes.
that one, and probably what most people are interested in too, like, is my value staying?
Right. A little bit of everything right now. Multiple offers, homes that are taking longer to sell,
Yep.
first right offers that are being accepted where people have to sell their own house first. There's all kinds of things going on right now. So it's the old one of everything in the
It
real
is.
estate market right now,
It is.
which is how we're doing family dinner at the Waggoner home as well. The old one of every, I mean, you know where the fridge is, kids, you know where the cabinets are. If you can help us in any way, whether it's working with us to buy or sell your home, we love that. Or if you just have solutions for this dinner conundrum,
Yes.
we want to hear from you. We're happy to hear from you. Reach out anytime. Otherwise, have a great summer and a great dinner tonight.
Yeah.